Introducing Tally, the next generation retained sponge solution, designed around the needs of clinicians to empower better outcomes. The Tally solution is comprised of 3 primary components. 1. The Tally mobile computer, a small all-in-one handheld device with integrated RFID reader. 2. The Tally line of RFID tagged gauze sponges, lap sponges, and OR towels. And 3. Tally Complete, a back-end database providing post-operative usage, compliance, and outcome-related information to hospital leadership. When starting a new case, select the type of service being performed and enter the staff and patient ID using either the barcode scanner or keyboard. Assemble the packs inside the sterile field to be counted and present each pack to the scanner one at a time.
10.
You will hear an audible indication of the number of items that are scanned in. Those items are added to the total number displayed as in for that given product type. After all Tally sponges have been scanned in, a manual count of these same items should be performed and compared to the Tally. The Tally solution scans multiple sponges simultaneously, minimizing the time and workflow disruption of individual scanning.
Tally complete.
If a sponge counted in is missing, use the Tally Find function to help locate the item. Once initiated, the Find feature will help guide the user to the missing item, using both audio and visual cues. The Tally Retained Sponge Prevention Solution. Fast, accurate, easy. Don't just count. Tally.